In this video, I will guide you how to update the item maintenance in your million for e-invoicing. As you all know, that for e-invoicing, the item UOM and classification code is required to submit to LHDM portal. So let's get started. Now you can go to stock and then we select product. Here you can edit the product, click edit. And then here, the mandatory field is the UOM and the classification code. Okay, first for UOM, for this product magazine, I choose unit. If the list of UOM is not on the list, you can click this link, unit of measure. And here got list of UOM and based on the e-invoice code. And if you need to add or edit, you can click here. And then here you can fill in the unit code and the description. And then here, you can choose the code. If you want to refer to LHDM portal, you can click this link, e-invoicing, where this link will bring you to the LHDM portal, unit of measurement. And here, you can see there are lists of unit types. Volt, milliliter, microfarad, Henry, and others. Okay, then you click close. And for this product, you also can add multi-UOM by clicking this MU. If your product has second unit, you can click here and then you can add the second unit here. Next, the mandatory field of the product is the classification code. For this product magazine, I choose the classification code is 0 to 6, which is subscription of books, journals, or magazine or newspaper. And if you need to see more classification codes, you can click this link, classification. And then here are the link that I have generated. I click generate here. You select all and then see. Then this link, this list will add it to your list here, classification list here. And if you need to add new classification code, you can click add. And then here, for the code and description, you can refer the LHDM classification code link by clicking this. This link will bring you to the LHDM portal where classification code list is provided. Okay, so after choose the correct classification code and UOM, you can click save. For second example, socks. For this product, I choose the UOM is pieces. And then the classification code. This one, if I don't know the classification of this product, so I choose others, which is 022. And here I choose the country is Malaysia. And then you click save. And that's all for update the product of your million for submit for e-invoicing. Thank you.